So, hello everyone. How are you? How are you? So, I wanted to just jump on here and talk to you about my latest project. But before I tell you about it, I just want to tell you a little story. So, when I was a little girl, my mom, she was an educator, and after she finished working, she would come home and she would go straight into her room. And she would say, you guys give me a half an hour and I'll be right out. Well, we were younger. And so with kids, they don't know how to tell time. So every 10 minutes, we'd be knocking on the door and she'd say, like, 20 more minutes, 10 more minutes, 5 more minutes. And then she would come out and she would be her normal self and she would cook dinner or help us with the homework or anything. And so she would do that for years. And I never understood what she was doing. And when I got older, I asked her, Mama, well, what are you doing? Why do you always have to go into the room? And she didn't realize, but what she was doing was self care. She would go in there and she would either lay down, take a nap, or she may meditate, pray, whatever, but she was doing self care. And she realized that when she came home, she couldn't just run right into doing whatever she needed to do. She knew she needed to take care of herself. And so, realizing that she needed to recharge and that she needed to be stress free. And in order to be present for us, that's something that she had to do, not knowing that she was doing self care. I work with a lot of employee assistance programs for their staff because I have my own practice. I am a licensed clinical professional counselor. And a lot of the issues I see with them is workplace stress. They're having stress while they're at work. And so, because I work with these clients, what happened is I decided to write a journal, to write a self help journal to help individuals to be able to not be stressed at work, to be able to be stress free. And so the title of my journal, and this is the project, hopefully I can put it up here so you can see it. The title of the book that I've been working on is called Workplace Stress Journal. Overlook this. I got so excited that it came that I didn't wait for my box opening like I usually do. And so I just brought it so you could see it. And so it's a workplace journal. And this journal is something, a lot of what's in this journal is what I work with my clients with. And I just want to read the back for you. It says, are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and stressed at work? Do you dream of starting and ending your day with a sense of calm and well being? Then this 60-day workplace serenity journal is for you. It will transform your daily routine and nurture your mental health like never before. Now, let me tell you what's in it. Each morning, you'll find prompts to set the tone for a relaxed and focused mindset. It will help you start your day on the right foot. Through reflection prompts in the evening, so after you have the prompts in the morning, in the evening, you'll also have a reflection prompt, and you'll have the opportunity to examine how your day unfolded and celebrate the victories and discover insights that trigger your stress. So, by just devoting a few minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes a day, you're going to see how it's going to change how you approach your workday and how you become stress free. Now, again, in this book, a lot of the prompts that I use for my clients in my private practice. The prompts are recommended. I mean, I even though I wrote these prompts, I sat down and I didn't just jump up and just come up with these different prompts in the book. And I'm gonna read a couple of them to you. But I sat down, I put a lot of hard work in this. Now, there are a lot of journals out on Amazon. You've seen them, but there are not a lot of workplace stress-free journals to help you be stress-free at your jobs. So that's one difference that this book is. Another difference is it's written by a therapist. I want to read to you some of the prompts that's in here because, like I said, I use some of these with my clients, and it's a prompt for the morning and the evening. So this one says it's called a digital self-care. So rearrange your digital space and write down what that would look like. Unfollow negative accounts and fill your feed with positive and inspirational quotes. Online will be a reflection of your well being. So that's in the morning. So now, the evening, what you're going to do, I got these little stickies is so right now you're going to write about your tech free moments today. How did disconnecting from certain threads, how did that allow you to be present? How did that help you engage with your surroundings? And how did that foster or create a sense of calm? So that's one for you to detox yourself from a lot of the negativity that is online, because a lot of people, when they get up in the morning, the first thing they do is they grab their cell phone, they jump on their tablet, and now they're in their Instagram. Now they're on their Twitter. Now they're on their Facebook. Now they're on the TikTok. And so it's telling you to get off of there and to create a different type of following for yourself that day. Another one is write down 3 positive affirmations that can help with anxiety or stress, and to repeat them throughout the day. So, whatever you decide to write about how to reduce anxiety, you're going to repeat that throughout the day. So, one of your affirmations may be, I will only let positive energy into my space. That may be one of your affirmations that's going to help you reduce stress. So, you think of those affirmations. And the last one I'm going to say is, today, practice reframing your perspective so that you can find a silver lining in any situation. And then you're going to write about how this will empower you to deal with the daily challenges. So you're going to reframe. So even though you see the negative, you're going to find a silver lining. So like I said, there's 120 prompts, because there's 60 morning, but there's also 60 evenings. So that makes 120 prompts. It's 184 pages. And so it's not a lightweight, and it really is for 60 days. Now, we have heard that it has been said that if you do something for 30 days, it becomes a habit. Well, you're going to do it for 60 days. So not only is it going to be a habit, but it's going to turn into a lifestyle. So I'm really excited about this project. And it's going to be on, like I said, Amazon. It's $14.99. And so it's not just 60, even though it's for 60 days, it's 120 prompts. And on my YouTube channel, one of my slogans for my YouTube channel is that I provide parents with expert tips and strategies to help them to be successful parents. And you're probably wonder, well, how does this feed into it? Well, in order for you to be a successful parent, you have to be present and stress-free for your kids. It's going to help you be that successful parent that you want to be. So again, I encourage you to get it. This is my project. I've been working on it. Hopefully I can let you see it a little bit in there. It's kind of hard. I got to figure out how to do the pages where I can let you see it. And it's very well done. Like I said, it's 184 pages, it's 120 prompts, and it's available on Amazon. So if you get the book, go ahead, leave a comment on Amazon, leave a review. Don't forget to send me a DM. Let me know how it went. Again, this is on Amazon. It's a Workplace Serenity. And I even like the name of it, Serenity, Workplace Serenity Journal. And it's going to help you, just like my mom, to take the time out 5 or 10 minutes a day so you can be stress-free, so you can be available for anything that you have to do the rest of the day.